everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. We are talking about the YouTuber Lasizwe, guys. He has been trending on Twitter after he posted his 4 different pictures on his social media timeline during his father's funeral. He was wearing white outfit with long nails matching his father's tombstone. Most people felt he was just seeking attention as he was crying in his pictures, as if he asked the photographer to take more pictures when he cries. We grieve differently. How other people chose to mourn, it's their choice. We actually have no manual on how to do some of the other things. That is my opinion, guys. Fans reposted Lasizwe's recent tweet where he labeled his father as an absent father, and they felt the way he cried was not what they expected after the tweet. The tweet reads, "I pray you experience what it means to be loved by your father. I pray you don't experience the level of brokenness and anger I have toward my father. I pray I find some healing, because that man really tore my heart into pieces from a tender age." Guys, he posted the tweet on the 20th of August this year. But in the funeral, Lasizwe did mention that they had their upside down, but he also learned a lot from his father, especially about finance management. He further complimented his father for accepting him after he came clean about his sexuality. The only question his father asked him was, "Manje ke mfana wami, inkomo ziyangena noma ziyaphuma?" Meaning, will you pay lobola or they will pay lobola for you? Despite of everything that have been said, guys, losing a parent is very painful. May the Lord comfort Lasizwe and the whole Mchunu family. You can comment below and share your opinion about what have been said. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.